Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Confirm you know your current Apple ID email and password before changing the address. Open Settings on your iPhone or iPad and tap your name at the top. If you use a Mac, open System Settings and click Apple ID in the sidebar. Enable two-factor authentication if it is not already on your account. Have a trusted device or phone number ready to receive verification codes. Back up your device data to iCloud or a computer before modifying account settings. Sign in at Apple.com or use settings, then tap name, phone, email to edit your email. Select Edit next to Reachable at or Account Email depending on your device. Enter the new email address and avoid using an ineligible at iCloud.com address if prompted. Apple will send a verification code to the new email address immediately. Open that email and copy the 6-digit code text into the verification field on your device or browser. After verification, the new address becomes your primary Apple ID email. After changing your Apple ID email, update the address in iCloud, Messages, and FaceTime settings. Sign out and sign back in on each device, including Mac, iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV. Check app subscriptions and payment methods to ensure purchases continue without interruption. If you lose access to the new email, start account recovery immediately at Apple.com using your trusted phone and devices. Keep your security information current to avoid future lockouts and regularly confirm backup integrity after major.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.